You have good days and bad days. Teamwork makes the dream work. Effort plus wrong tools is equals to no results. Take the risk or lose the chance. People who tell you the truth are trying to free you from a prison you don't even know you are in. The harder the journey, the stronger you will become. Sometimes you need to change the direction. Patience is not always an optimal way. You never know what someone is going through. Be kind always. You will never be free until you are free yourself from the prison of your own false thoughts. Don't be afraid to choose a different path than others. Sad reality. Struggle of a woman to reach her goal. People who make others happy are usually the most broken ones. You can't stop a winner from winning and loser from losing. I hope this day never comes. See yourself as king before people can believe in you. Stop creating problems that aren't even there. To enjoy the beauty of life, live in the moment, not in the future. Too busy for improvements. Appreciate his sacrifices. This is not real education. Don't celebrate too early. Instead of saying I can't, you should ask how can I? Try to be different. Stop comparing yourself to others. When you want to give up, remember why you started. You are not repressed, you are distracted. Choice made in anger cannot be undone. Today they'll call you crazy, tomorrow they'll call you boss. Money is a tool, not the goal. Freedom is the goal, don't forget that. Work hard, have fun and make history. One day your car will be more expensive than their lifetime income. Karma. What goes around comes around. Keep your circle positive. Think good thoughts, speak good words, do good deeds. Please don't ever allow yourself to become the person on the left. If you try and fail, congratulations. Most people don't even try. Every act of kindness will be returned to you one way or another. People lose because they want things fast. Life is long, keep patience, everything takes times. Never trust anyone blindly, sometimes it kills you. No matter how good you are, you can always be replaced. Even the weak become strong when they're united. Unity is power. Success is not always what you see. Don't let technology blind and consume you. Don't wait for the opportunity, create it. Be careful with your words. Today's society. Don't dig a hole so deep that you can't even get out of it. Sad reality. You can't experience success without first experiencing failure. Never lose an opportunity because you love to sleep. So much of our happiness depends on how we choose to look at the world. Thanks for watching. Comment down your favorite quote in the comment section.